I might have done a 360 off my wall.
Okay, no problem.
Right here.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
And fucking
56 on Jet.
Spike
I've
down
gone worked on
A.
camera 6-7 times.
Last player
Rough around
standing.
That sheriff, I love it. It's pretty fire. You know? 56 on Jet.
Okay, we know the drill. Stick to your roles and we'll crush it.
Say what?
Meant to be worked. We were just kind of trolling, so it was remake.
I'll jump for outlaw. We're in Japan? No way. Have fun, Nappa. Have fun.
Standing ahead.
Nothing. One push up close.
The camera now. Oh, it's our camera. Sure.
Close.
Wall raised.
Low blind. One flanking us.
Spike down mid.
No more charges.
My turn.
Oh, mid. Wait, can you help, Jet? Can you help, Jet?
What was
Can you
from
help,
mid?
Jet?
One enemy remaining.
I don't need help. Run!
Carrier is
You had
I'm
a
done.
smoke
I
the
got the
entire
spike.
time? Oh.
I smoked you. First time you stood there and did nothing.
reloading.
Is this true? Did you say that? We have camera.
Spike planted.
Can you come back side with me, please? Can you please come back side for the love of God?
Yo, pick it going on. Oh, well.
Last player
Oh
standing.
my God, I fucking hate you. Like, not the jig.
You hear him, you hear him.
You're fucking ass, bro.
You guys don't understand. He's just too smart for
You
you.
don't
guys.
even have to jiggle. Just
He
play
definitely
that.
had to. He definitely had to.
You're just gonna die.
Bro, what? I'm
on
kind
the
of
way.
behind here.
No
That's
other
you.
option.
Nah, if he goes wide enough, he could definitely see you there. I've killed people there for sure.
Someone get this.
I think if he gets
would
here, he
never
sees
do
you a little
there.
back.
He would
No,
never do that. He would never.
Oh yeah, he would. If I'm on the enemy team, I just like shift walk out, clear right, clear backside, then I drop.